Hi, my name is Thomas Maurer and I'm a cloud advocate working at Microsoft. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how storage works in the Azure Cloud Shell. So here I'm in the Azure Cloud Shell. I have the PowerShell experience open. And if I go to my home directory, you can see here that I have a folder called Cloud Drive. This is nothing else than a Azure File share mounted to my container, and you can see that I have created a folder called scripts with some scripts stored in there. And this again is a persistent experience. I can manage and download the files from that folder. I can also go and upload files if I want to, and I want to add some files there. So for example, if I go to my repos, scripts, and then I can select the file and I'll upload it directly through the browser. Or if I want to download a file directly, I can use a PowerShell commandlet called export file. And this will then basically let me download the specific file I have here. So I can basically download the file, edit it, and upload it again if I want to. There are better ways using the editors and things like that. However, this is also an option to do it. So if we have a quick look at that cloud drive, what is it exactly? I told you it's an Azure file share, and we have a specific commandlet here called the get cloud drive, and this will give me some information about the cloud drive. So again, it gives me the name of the file share path. It also gives me the name of the storage account where this Azure file share is provisioned. And then I also have the information, for example, in which resource group that's provisioned. So let's go to the Azure portal and let's open up that storage account. And if we then go to the Azure files here, you can see I have a file share here called Cloud Drive. And if I open that up, you will see I have my scripts folder there. In that scripts folder, I have obviously stored my scripts, my two files. You can see them here as well. So you can also manage them directly or whatever you want to directly in the Azure portal. You also have that folder called Cloud Console, and there's an image file. This is basically my user home directory stored in that file. So whenever I install a PowerShell module or anything, it gets stored in that, and you have some persistent storage. So what I can do here, I can also create a directory. Let's create a demo scripts directory here. And if I now switch back to the Cloud Shell, and if I go to that Cloud Drive scripts folder, you can see here I now have that demo scripts folder. I can also go back and delete that specific folder. And if I again switch back to the Cloud Shell, you can see that this folder is gone. So this is a little overview about how storage works in the Azure Cloud Shell and how you can store files in a persistent way in the Azure Cloud Shell.